Cody, you like Jollibee, right? Give me a high five for Jollibee! Yay, Jollibee! Oh, this guy's giving up. He's giving up. He changed his mind. He wants to go to McDonald's. He's changed his mind. He doesn't want to go to Jollibee. He wants to go to McDonald's. That's real nice. And what the hell is that up there I see? Are those guys? Those guys are doing wheelies. They're on motorcycles doing wheelies. See how high up in the air they are? Too bad I'm not in the front there. Oh, this one guy he just made sparks. Did you see that?
I know some of my fiscal conservatives will say, Carl, that's government spending money. Yeah, but...
Go for it, baby. Got your little three-wheeler in your own special lane there, called the emergency lane.
A few moments later.
It would say no funding shall be spent by the federal government in any way, shape, or form to advance a mandate for someone to receive the vaccine. So that means...
There's a three-wheeler up there.
Excuse me.
He's made his own lane again. Go get him, baby. Riding without a helmet?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, you made your own lane there. Good job there, buddy.
You can take that equity payout fine for your credit card bills, as well as just get yourself...
Motorcycle didn't stop when he turned right on red. Whoa. Well, the motorcycle's not happy about that. The hell kind of helmet is this guy got on the right up there, the yellow helmet?
Pikachu.
You're right, Alex. Looks like Pikachu riding that motorcycle up there. That is Pikachu. Go get him, baby.
Sorry, Wendy, but I think...
Go get him.
You're at a time when no one can be vaccinated. They still find low levels of school-related infection, and so now that you have a very large percentage of the population, it's over 70% of the population 12 and older in the U.S. that is at least partly vaccinated.
Come on, baby. Go get him. Go get him, baby. I'm doing 75. He must have been doing 100.
An iHeart radio station.
All right, it is 6:20 to San Diego.
I got a new motorcycle lane there.
Take a look at those roads here.
When you make phone calls, and this is under a contract.
Oh, you go get him, buddy. You got a new lane for you too, huh? Oh, good job there, motorcycle. Come on, motorcycle. Make your own lane there, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Good job. And thank you for your service. What the heck is going on up here? Wreck here on the left, wreck there on the right. Oh, motorcycle. Oh, no. Oh, that was not good. If CarMax has a better, woo, that guy, did you see that?
U-turn. No U-turn yata yan dyan.
I'm pretty sure that's no U-turn there.
No U-turn. There's no U-turn dyan. Once the U-turn na, that's almost there.
would wipe away my tears, so sincere, turn gray skies to blue. You won't ever change your ways, doing what you do. Well, you can keep on talking, talking. No one say don't be nothing, nothing. The
Good golly.
Instead of he's crossing the street.
I didn't know where he was going. He was going across the road. If I kept going, he might have kept going. I'd have killed him.
Yeah.
Wasted
Oh boy. Ay, nako.
I told you, I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it on work on time. I got to go back. I might have to go back on Thursday.
Wala.
This is Saturday.
Back up na, Daddy, and then let's go. Don't wait there. I don't know.
I'm telling you, these people are terrible.
Yeah, we can go. Go, let's go.
How am I going to get out?
Go back. Is there another one in behind you?
No.
Just back up.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Yes, this is like that one is not moving. My goodness.
He's going to be there by the time we get home. He'll still be sitting here.
Oh my goodness.